What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, when I tell you this has been... Hold on. When I tell you this has been an interesting time, it's been interesting. Just finding the belt alone has been a process. But I found it. Had to order it. They ordered the wrong one. Hold on. Make sure we're not leaking. They ordered the wrong one. I was all set, you know. Drove all the way out to the shop. Now, but I finally have the right one. We got a nice tight, I don't know if you can hear this. Ooh, sound like a guitar string? That means we're on the money. Everything's back together. About to back this out, bleed the coolant, but that means we get to hear the chop. Now, I do not have an updated tune. So we've got to, obviously, we pulled it down and we cammed. So there's going to be some tune revisions. No leaks. No leaks. So the tune is going to be different, but it should be close-ish, is what I was told. So we'll see. Gonna fill this coolant up best I can here, back it out, bleed it out, and hopefully we'll get to hear some chop. Guys, before we go any farther, if you have not signed up for the premium subscription, what are you doing? We're adding benefits every freaking day. We've got a big announcement also for premium members about to pop off. Keep an eye out for that. Guys, look, this helps us do what we do, and the way that we give back to Ultimate members is absolutely ridiculous. I can't make it any better. The cars, the pop-up drawings, the monthly giveaways. You watch the videos before everybody else. You get free swag every year being a premium member. 20 bucks, boys. You can't get anything for 20 bucks, but you can be Ultimate. That's all it takes. Hit the link, sign up now, get the Ultimate. You're in. About to fire it up, back it out. Leave this coolant out. See what it sounds like. It's gonna high idle at first. I want to make sure it didn't suck it all out. Oh, it did. It sucked it all out. Stand by here. Let's add a little more. Yeah, it sucked it all out. Lost a good bit. I got 2 gallons back in it. Yes, I'm mixing it. All right. Fingers crossed, boys. Here we go. Fire this turd up. All right, everything's powering up. Oh yeah. Let's get it out back so we don't stink up the shop. Oh, she's smoky. And I gotta grab some coolant. Alright, sorry guys, working solo today. Fill her back up. Still cold idling. What we got? Oh yeah. Oh, the steam. Yeah. Oh crap. We got an issue. Oh yeah, we got an issue. Oh yeah, see it? Oh yeah. Frickin' intake gasket. God bless. Yeah. Crap. Uh-oh. Oh, that's just a lead. Yep. That doesn't make any damn sense. I can see the freaking gasket right there. Yeah. There it is. Damn it. Well, I don't know what it is. It's torqued down. The gasket didn't slide. I can see it. Everything was cleaned. It's just this one spot. I double checked torque on it. It's torqued. It's spraying right there. So guess what? I take it back apart. Look, I'm gonna tell you guys one thing. If I screw up or mess something up or don't get something right, I'm gonna tell you on this channel. Ain't nobody perfect. Damn sure not me. And look at that, I torqued it. Okay, well, back in the shop she goes. Well, it chopped a little. I mean, oh, yeah. It chopped a little bit. I don't know, boys. Just how it is. I can't imagine what it would be. Maybe the gasket slid, but I can see it. I can see it right here. I can see the freaking gasket. Maybe it did slide. I don't know. But guess we're taking it back apart. So obviously I'm not gonna take it apart at the moment. It's been a long day. Multiple trips to the parts store to get the right belt. Of course, you know, it's an odd belt. It ended up being 52.5, and based on Vortex information on their website, a 6.87 crank with a 3.12 upper should have been right around a 54. Well, that's what I ordered. That was wrong. Went back and got a 53. I talked to Donnie B at Anderson. He said their kit came with a 53. I don't know, because it ended up being a 52.5. A 53 maxed out my tensioner. So anyway, that was a whole ordeal. After the ordeal the other day trying to find the correct bolt, and I had to tap and clean the threads up and all that after it broke. It's been a day and a week and yeah, a lot. So the good thing is I pulled the dipstick and we're not mixing nice fresh clean oil because I just changed the oil. So that's a good thing. Yeah, let me get that back in there. Boom, got it. So tear it back apart. But it did chop just a little bit. So the plan was we were gonna update the tune and get it out, do some ripping, see how it feels. Obviously, you know the story is what it is. But we will get it back right, and very shortly we'll get to hear that B cam hit a lick and feel what that pulley and the cam does. Should be a great time. So guys, just remember, cars will kick you in the ass every time. Every time. And screw up, just fix it. At least I ain't gotta tear the whole thing apart this time. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.